Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best white shoe cleaning kit is probably one of the most essential items for anyone who loves to keep their footwear looking pristine and brand new, especially when it comes to those crisp, clean white sneakers that make a statement with every step. These kits are designed to tackle the toughest dirt, scuffs, and yellowing that inevitably plague white shoes, offering a convenient and effective solution to restore their original glory without causing damage. Investing in a quality cleaning kit means you can extend the life of your favorite pairs and maintain that sharp, polished look that complements any outfit, ensuring your white shoes remain a stylish asset rather than a source of constant worry about keeping them clean. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. It's designed to bring your favorite shoes back to life, no matter the material. This powerful cleaner works wonders on fabric, leather, and even delicate suede and nubuck. Keep all your sneakers looking their best. Tired of scuffs and stains on your white shoes? Our formula effectively removes dirt and grime, restoring their original brilliance. The included brush ensures a thorough yet gentle cleaning experience. It reaches into every crevice to lift away impurities without causing damage. With the bottle and brush, you have everything you need for a complete shoe cleaning. Achieve professional results right at home. Give your sneakers the care they deserve. This kit is your go-to solution for maintaining and restoring your footwear's pristine condition. What we like. This kit offers a powerful yet gentle solution for a wide range of materials. It's perfect for those who own a variety of footwear, from delicate suede to tough leather. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that can handle almost any shoe material, this is the one for you. What people say. This kit is a lifesaver for keeping my white sneakers looking brand new. The cleaning solution effectively removes tough stains without damaging the material. The brush is gentle yet powerful, making it easy to scrub away dirt and scuffs. Number 4. Shoe MGK Starter Shoe Cleaner Kit. Meet the ultimate solution for keeping your footwear looking its best. This comprehensive kit is designed to clean and condition all your favorite shoes. With our premium cleaner and conditioner, you can tackle dirt and grime effectively. It's perfect for maintaining the look and feel of any shoe material. The included premium shoe brush ensures a gentle yet thorough cleaning experience. It reaches into every crevice to lift away dirt without causing damage. Restore your shoes to their former glory with this easy-to-use kit. It's the perfect way to extend the life of your favorite pairs. Whether you're a collector or just love keeping your shoes fresh, this starter kit is a must-have. Experience the difference quality shoe care can make. What we like. This option provides a comprehensive cleaning and conditioning experience for all your shoes. The included conditioner helps protect and restore your footwear after cleaning. If you prioritize shoe longevity and want to keep your sneakers looking fresh for longer, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. This kit is a lifesaver for keeping my white sneakers looking pristine. The cleaning solution is effective at removing dirt and scuff marks without damaging the material. It comes with a brush that is gentle yet firm enough to scrub away tough stains. Number 3. One-Stop Shoe Cleaner and Whitener Kit. Are your favorite sneakers looking a little worse for wear? Don't let dirt and scuffs ruin your look. It's time to bring them back to life. Meet the ultimate solution for all your footwear cleaning needs. This comprehensive kit is designed to tackle any mess your shoes might encounter. Our powerful formula works wonders on all types of shoes, from canvas to leather. It effectively removes dirt, grime, and stains with minimal effort. Bring back the pristine white you love. This whitener is perfect for reviving dull soles and uppers, making your shoes look brand new again. Why buy multiple products when you can have it all in one? This kit provides everything you need for a complete shoe care routine. Keep your footwear looking its best, effortlessly. Step out with confidence knowing your shoes are clean, bright, and ready for any occasion. What we like. This kit is designed to be your ultimate solution for shoe cleaning and whitening. It effectively tackles dirt and restores the bright white appearance of your sneakers. If you're specifically targeting stubborn stains and want to achieve a brilliant white finish with minimal effort, this is the kit you need. What people say. This kit is a lifesaver for keeping my white sneakers looking pristine. The brush is gentle yet effective, and a cleaning solution works wonders on tough stains. I love how compact and portable the kit is. I can easily take it with me on the go. Number 2. SneakERASERS Instant Sneaker Cleaner Sponge. Tired of dirty white sneakers? Introducing the instant solution for a pristine look. Keep your favorite shoes looking brand new with ease. This powerful cleaner works like magic on white sneakers and tennis shoes. Achieve a spotless finish without any hassle. Don't let scuffs and dirt ruin your favorite pair. Our cleaner is specifically designed to restore the brightness of white footwear. Get your shoes looking fresh in seconds. This sponge provides an effective and quick way to tackle everyday dirt and grime. Give your tennis shoes the care they deserve. This cleaner is perfect for bringing back their original clean appearance. Experience the convenience of instant shoe cleaning. It's the perfect tool for maintaining the cleanliness of your athletic footwear. What we like. For those on-the-go moments, this offers an instant cleaning solution without the need for water. Its portable design makes it ideal for quick touch-ups anywhere, anytime. If you need a fast and convenient way to erase scuffs and marks from your white sneakers, especially when traveling or before an event, grab this. What people say. This kit is a lifesaver for keeping my white sneakers looking brand new. The brush is gentle yet effective, and a cleaning solution works wonders on tough stains. I love how easy it is to use, just a few swipes and my shoes are sparkling clean again. Number 1. Gold Standard Premium Shoe Cleaning Kit. Introducing the Gold Standard Premium Shoe Cleaning Kit. It's designed to bring your favorite footwear back to life, no matter the material. Whether you love tennis shoes, classic leather, or durable canvas, this kit is your go-to solution. Keep your sneakers looking pristine. Tired of dingy white sneakers? Our powerful cleaner tackles tough stains, restoring that bright, clean look you love. The premium formula is tough on dirt but gentle on your shoes. It ensures a thorough clean without causing damage. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a superior clean. Maintain the quality and appearance of your entire sneaker collection. With the Gold Standard Kit, your shoes will always be ready for any occasion. Step out confidently with footwear that looks as good as new. What we like. This kit focuses on delivering premium results, especially for white shoes. It's crafted to ensure your sneakers maintain their pristine look. If you're a sneaker enthusiast who demands the best and wants a reliable way to keep your white kicks looking their absolute best, this is the gold standard. What people say. This kit is a lifesaver for keeping my white sneakers looking brand new. The brush is firm enough to scrub away dirt and scuffs without damaging the material. I love how the cleaner lifts stains and brightens the fabric, making my shoes look almost new again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.